Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to like a comment on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. Facebook's latest update has made a few small changes to how interactions work, so if you're noticing something different, don't worry, you're about to see how simple it is. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Facebook icon or visiting the app directly through your browser. Once Facebook loads, you'll land on your main feed, where you can see posts from friends, pages, and groups. Next, find the post that contains the comment you want to like. You can scroll through your feed, visit someone's profile, or use the search bar to look for a specific post. Once you've found the post, it's time to scroll down a little and locate the comment section. Now, find the comment you want to react to. It could be a funny remark, a helpful answer, or just something you appreciate. Hover your mouse over the like word just below that comment. You'll notice that a small set of reactions appears. This is part of Facebook's updated design. From here, simply hold your cursor over the like option for a moment and you'll see choices like love, haha, care, and others. If you want to give a regular like, just click the like icon once. If you prefer another reaction, hover a bit longer and select the one that best fits how you feel. And that's it. You've successfully liked a comment using the new Facebook app on PC. Facebook's latest update makes it smoother to engage with others, giving you faster access to all the little reactions that let you share your response instantly. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.